What's going on, guys? This is my first video on YouTube, and in today's video, as you read from the title, today we're gonna be looking at how you can earn $20 by just sharing your phone with your friends. The way I'm gonna show you is simple and easy. I'm gonna try to make this video short as possible to make save more time for you guys. But before we start today's video, guys, take a little bit second and subscribe my channel today, because sorry guys, because as I told you before, this is my first day on YouTube. So if you can subscribe my channel, it inspires me and encourage me to make more cool videos for the future. So you can keep up with me by just subscribing my channel. It's easy. Take a little bit second and subscribe my channel. Now let's start today's video. The first thing you need to do is turn on your data. Yeah, after that, search for crypto hook. Yeah, search for crypto hook. I think many of you guys know this website. Yeah, crypto hook is the fastest way to rent motor server for any platform, browser, or devices. You can sign up here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, when you sign up, you can sign up through your Facebook account, your Google account, and your Instagram account, but I recommend you guys to use your Google account because it's more secure. The only thing you're gonna need to do is click on the Google account, and it will take you directly to the website, and it will require you to put your email and your password. After that, you're done, you're in. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in through my own account. As you can see here, find new type of earning. Yeah, I read before, so you can read here what you get working with us with crypto hook. There are many positive things that you get when you work with us. Here are some of them. Kickstart, yeah, many of you can check her out. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from inside. I'm gonna sign in through my account. Yeah, I'm gonna sign in through my Google account because as I told you before, guys, I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in through. Just click on it. Yeah, it's open quickly because I already signed in. That's why. As you can see here, my balance is 102. Yeah. After that, go to affiliate program. Click on it, as you can see here. So this is my referral link. Guys, I'm gonna put my referral link down in the description below. After that, click on it and it will take you directly to the website. After that, you're gonna sign up or register, and click on the Google account, and it will require to put your email and password. After that, you're in. You can start, and then you can start. Yeah. And after you sign, go to affiliate program and see what your referral link. After that, copy it just like this. Copy it. Yeah, copy it. After that, share it wherever you want. You can share it on first Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want. You can share it. After that, when a person sign up for your account, you're gonna earn $20. Yeah. As you can see here, you can go to withdrawal. Yeah. You're gonna put your payment system, your account number, and your email address. Guys, I want to remind you guys, the minimum payout is, or you can request a paying, is $1,000. You need to earn $1,000 to send a payment, a request. After that, you can, when you reach $1,000, you can request a payment request. Yeah. As you can see here, go to servers rent. Guys, before I show you this, when you sign up for the first time, they will give you $100, but you can't cash it out. But you can rent it. After that, after you rent your $100, you're gonna earn $2 every 24 hours. Every 24 hours, you're gonna earn $2 plus $2. For 100, if you rent $100, you're gonna earn $2 every 24 hours. If you rent $200, you're gonna earn $3 every 24 hours. For $5, you're gonna need $400. For $9, you're gonna need $800. Just like that. It's like this, guys. It's simple, guys. As I told you, you can go to settings and check out where you can put your system, and you can create your profile, your name, and many things. Yeah, as you can see here, they have several and many paying systems. You can use American Scripts, Dinner Club, Discover, Strip, yeah, PayPal, Mastercard, Visa, Wide, Payza, Pioneer, Payer, sorry guys, Payer, Western Union, yeah, just like that. Guys, as I told you, it's easy. Click my referral link down in the description below. After that, it will take you directly and sign up and start using this website. Guys, as I told you, it's easy. Let me show you guys some details. I'm gonna log out. Wait me a little bit a second because my internet connection is a little bit slow. As you can see here, this is it. Quick start, variety of payment. We support all modern payment systems that are continuously improving. Mini bonus, mobility, we work. So yeah, this is a payment system that they use. Guys, I hope this video helps you a little bit. I'm gonna make more videos. If you can subscribe my channel, guys, please subscribe my channel, because I told you before, this is my first video on YouTube. Because if you subscribe my channel, I'm gonna make more cooler videos for you guys. Please subscribe my channel. I hope this video helped you a little bit. I will see you guys in the next video.